Lisa, and I'd like to welcome you to Miss Lisa's Learning Hub. And now for our word of the week. Today's word is accumulate. Accumulate means to gather or collect something gradually over time. So if you start off, maybe let's say you want to collect stamps or postcards or dolls, anything that you would gather over years of time is meaning to accumulate. Simple sentence. Over the years, Jenny managed to accumulate a large collection of vintage postcards. Some synonyms, which mean the same, some synonyms for accumulate would be to gather, to collect, to amass, or to stockpile. Some antonyms or opposites of accumulate would be to disperse, to dissipate, to scatter, or to distribute. All right, that is our word of the week, accumulate. If you like what you saw, please consider liking and subscribing to my channel. Let me know what you think in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.